guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. And today we are going to be doing a baby shower with the theme of the places you would go. And we're going to start out with the decor. Now for this particular event, this event center had a stage already in it, and it was, in my opinion, way too large for just the mom and the dad to be. So I decided to offset them to the right hand side of the stage if you're looking at the screen, and make the stage like a huge display. I told you guys at the beginning of this year that props and backdrops and scene setters were going to be all of the rage, and so it definitely was a perfect time for me to create this scene setter. Rachel did the desserts. She was amazing as always. They turned out absolutely incredible. And when the client gave me the theme, the places he would go, I thought that I would really focus in on the hot air balloons. And I found the most amazing hot air balloons on Amazon. And this one was 5 feet tall, you guys, humongous. When I kind of pull back and you look at the entire stage, you're going to get to see how huge that hot air balloon was. And then the arch backdrops, I will leave the link for all of that down below. Next up, we did the tables. Since there was so much going on the stage, I wanted to kind of keep the tables really monochromatic, really simple, yet playful. And so you guys know how much I love this acrylic, the acrylic stands. And so I put the bear kind of wrapped around the stands with a floral on the top, and I used the velvet tablecloths on the bottom and the acrylic chairs. I just thought they looked absolutely amazing. I got these luggage pieces also on Amazon, and then I did a floral centerpiece out of the top luggage. Brittany, who's also the mom to be, she absolutely loved traveling. I know her personally, and so I wanted to be sure to not only just include aspects for the baby, but I wanted to include aspects of her and the dad to be. So traveling was one of their things, and so therefore, I did the luggage centerpieces, and they turned out so cute. Now, I wanted the menu cards and everything to be a part of the decor. I just think that helps to bring everything together. And for the bears, I absolutely love them, and I changed out the ribbon on each different type of bear so that it would match the decor as well. And I think it turned out so amazing. The cutlery, I did not put the cutlery on the table at this point because I think everything was on the buffet. I just want to be certain I'm saying that okay. But yeah, I wanted the cutlery and the plates were all on the buffet, so that worked out for us in that manner. And then the acrylic chairs, I think acrylic looks so good against the velvet. And I'm not sure if you guys, I found those on Amazon for like $22 each per chair. I'm not sure if they still have them or if they're still out of stock, but if I can find that link, I will link it there as well. But yeah, absolutely love it. And so please forgive the bumpiness in the camera, you guys, because I was like walking around. We actually had 2 events in one day, so there was a lot going on. And so we also kind of did this floral boho theme in with this as well. I actually had this for another baby shower that I was going to do, and the baby shower it never came in time for the actual event. So what I did was I was like, oh, this matches the colors here, and we can just roll with this because the space that this baby shower was in was so large that we needed some other things to kind of fill it in. And so the colors and everything meshed perfectly. And for those of you all who join me on Amazon Live, I gave you a tip for creating a very inexpensive dance floor. So if you have not seen that Amazon Live, I highly recommend that you go and see it. Now for the centerpieces, for the most part, I just used 2 different variations. The acrylic stands, I actually had like the really tall ones, and then I had the shorter ones, and I kind of catty cornered them. And then for the other tables, I used the the actual luggage boxes that I was telling you guys about earlier. And then we kept the napkins, you know, we just did the napkins with the napkin rings from totallydazzle.com. We love them. And I just absolutely love the way that it all turned out. And then the table numbers, we put them inside of gold vases, and they had the little bear with the balloons as well. So you'll kind of see the theme just going throughout the entire event. We did draping because this event center was humongous. I think it could hold like 500 people seated. And so what we did was we brought the size of the room in to make it more intimate. For the head table, we put the baby's name in the middle along with the floral centerpieces on each side. She was able to use these letters later on for the baby's nursery or the baby's room. And so I love that. And then we did the skirt. You guys know how much I love this skirt. I think it just looks so elegant, especially for a wedding, baby shower, or bridal shower. It just looks extremely elegant and beautiful. And I loved the stacked suitcases. It just really meshed with everything so well. And I also got those on Amazon. I did set the table for the mother and the father to be. I think one of the reasons we didn't set every single table was that we literally had, I want to say 2 hours to get this whole room set up, draping and everything. It was like 2 or 3 hours. It was not a very long time. And we're talking about complete draping, balloons, desserts, set up from start to finish. I want to say we had 2 hours. My team in the comments, if I am mistaken, please correct me in the comments. I want to say it was like 2 hours. And it was 3 of us that set up. It was insane, but we made it through. And it turned out absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. But I would have to say that this scene setter was probably my favorite part of this event. There were so many photo ops inside of it. The camera just could not capture the beauty and the depth of this for me. I know when Trey was doing the balloons, he was like, "Are you sure you want them all on the ground?" I was like, "Yes, I want them all low. I want them all on the ground," because I knew that I wanted them to fill the stage in, and I just wanted the arches to do all of the talking against the beautiful desserts that Rachel created. And so, yeah, I was so ecstatic with how everything turned out. It was absolutely beautiful, and I was able to capture the for the first time ever, I'm going to be sharing this actual live reaction with you guys. And so if the footage is a little bit hard to understand, please know that this was a live reaction, and I wanted to kind of share how my clients react to their designs with you. So I hope that you enjoy it. So we're going to move on in this next segment to the live reveal with the client.
Walk straight. I'm behind you. Okay. You gonna tell me when to stop walking? Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go. Hold on. We're gonna go right here so she can see. That's what she. Sorry. It's okay. Okay. Now turn around. All right. Now, I'm gonna move out the way. Y'all move out the way so she can see the whole thing. Move this way, yeah. All right, and on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Open up.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
This is amazing.
What?
This is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god. This is amazing. I like it.
You like it, Braylon?
Hey.
Oh my goodness. This
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect.
Okay, we can
Look, oh goodness.
Okay, so next up is the food. The food was absolutely amazing. She had meatballs and chicken and waffles and like a bacon and egg on an egg. Oh, God. The food was just, the layout was just incredible. everyone enjoyed the food. It was a 10 out of 10, and the caterer did an outstanding job, not only cooking, but presenting as well. Those are the risers, you guys, that I've shown you so many times on Amazon. I was so shocked when the caterer had them. I was like, oh my gosh, I have those too. And I've shared those with my Lux family so many times. But yes, I love the food and it was incredible. Next up were the games. We really put a lot of emphasis on the whole travel experience. And so when the guests got there, the first thing they had to do was check in. And so when they checked in, they signed the photo guest book, and then they got a passport, and I stamped the passport for checking in. And then when they played the games, if they got certain things correct during the game, they got additional stamps. And so the winner for the different prizes was the individuals that had the most stamps at the end of the day on their passports. And so we just thought that was so much fun. They got a stamp for dropping off their gifts. And so this was the luggage drop off. So I really played on that travel experience throughout the entire shower, which leads us into the details. It is so imperative to, take the details through every aspect of your event. I knew that I was going to be concentrating on both the luggage and the hot air balloon, and so that went throughout every single aspect of the shower. You'll see the hot air balloon and the luggage, and even the guest favors. I have baggage claim, and so they were able to pick up their little bags with a custom favor on the inside of their little bag at baggage claim on their way out after the shower was over. That wraps it up, you all. Let me know your favorite aspect or detail of this baby shower down in the comments below. I love reading your comments. I love engaging with you all. Also, all the links to the products that I mentioned in today's video are either going to be tagged in the video, or they can be found in the description box or the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. I have so much more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!